Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ke Menteri Badai Pet ya ketenat ke kot ke kia ke sorkar jela ke kong Ampareen lingdo kalaya thu bakalayo jingtip ha kabai dai bat ke Jingjia ke bala jia menhenen ke sngi halor ke jingkeno baki nong sumar kim shim la ai ke jing sumar ke bapaka ya uwei ni ki bangat ha ke jingatingko kali ha North Eastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences Neigrihms ke kong Ampareen kalaya thu ru bakan sapan da ke kaipot no director ke hospital Neigrihms bantip kambnya ha kabai dai bat ke Jingjia ke kong Ampareen kala pen paru ya ke jingdon kam bantung de ke Jingtohkit khnang ba kum gini kita Jingjia kinum jia shu nang ne shakman shu ke kong Ampareen kala ban rap ru da ke baong bakan sapet benya ya ke kaipot bat la dalap ya ke Jingshisha ke Pynshitom Pynlong Katkum ka ai.
Unofficially, I have just been informed that on the day of the occurrence of this very unfortunate situation that occurred in Neigrihms, there were junior doctors already on duty that evening, and there were CMOs or medical officers already also attending to the patient. I don't know exactly what happened. In order to understand the situation completely, I have requested the director of Neigrihms to share with me information on what proceeded to that conflict that occurred in Neigrihms and what were the reasons that there was a loss of life in this entire conflict. I will await for that letter, but preliminary I have been told that there were doctors.
Well, considering this incident, it looks like there is a serious lapses on the part of the management of Neigrihms.
Neigrihms is a central organization, but because it functions in the state of Meghalaya, we can also be the caretakers on behalf of the public, and we can request them and we can ask them what were the reasons for occurrences of any incidences in their property while attending to patients. And I will await for that official reply of the director Neigrihms, but at least I know that there were doctors. So let us see, let us wait for that, and I am very disturbed that that happened. And I'm very disturbed to know that a very young person lost his life. Whether or not it was because of lapses of medical assistance or whether or not there were other factors for the loss of that life will be ascertained once I receive a report from the director of Neigrihms.